Hey there, Saber fans. Levi here, and today we're going to talk about the Arcann. We've had a couple of customers reach out about some issues that they've had with the fit of the chassis, so I just wanted to go over it and what we can do to improve that, hopefully remedy your situation. So go ahead and open up that Saber, take it out. The major points and where the chassis is having trouble where people have trouble with the chassis, I should say, is right here and with the battery right here. So those are like the two main points that we're trying to get past when we're putting it in. So when we get to this first point here, a lot of people have issues. If you try to just push on this linearly, it's going to be difficult. It might not be aligned up here in this portion, and it would take a lot of strength to just force it in at this point. So it's a lot easier if you just wiggle up and down like this direction while you're going in, and you get past that first step quite easily. And for most, 90% of the Sabers, that'll be enough right there to solve your problem. But up here on the battery is another point where if the battery isn't sitting down perfectly flat, it might rub a little bit on the inside of the chassis. So what you can do is you can just rotate chassis left and right like this, kind of side to side, instead of, again, pushing completely linearly, just to help get that battery under that step. That way it doesn't peel back like the coating on the battery or anything. In a very few cases, we've also had a couple Sabers that get a little bit tight in this portion. This is mostly due to this outer silver part being misaligned. So if you take a 2mm driver and loosen these 4 screws here, just give that a little wiggle, you might find that it'll fit way better if that is the issue that you're having with that last little bit. Lastly, if the battery is your issue and you can't get that battery to lay down flat, it could be that these wires here aren't all laid down flat in the back there. So you could take a look at that and see if that's the root cause. But other than that, those are mostly everything that we've come up with to help remedy this issue that a couple of people have had. And we appreciate your patience and your understanding, and I'll see you guys in the next one.